Looking for the best Forex broker to kickstart your trading journey? Whether you're after no deposit bonuses, low trading costs, or just want a reliable platform to grow your skills, you're in the right place. In this video, we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best PLN account Forex brokers. Be sure to like and subscribe to our videos for future content, as it greatly supports the channel. Let's dive straight into it. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have FP Markets. FP Markets is a leading online trading provider, offering access to a wide range of financial instruments, including Forex, CFDs, and commodities. With a commitment to transparency, innovation, and client satisfaction, FP Markets provides traders with cutting-edge technology, competitive pricing, and superior execution. Established in 2005, FP Markets has grown into a globally recognized brand, serving clients in over 150 countries. Through its user-friendly platforms and comprehensive educational resources, FP Markets empowers traders of all levels to navigate the financial markets with confidence. FP Markets offers a range of advanced trading platforms designed to cater to the diverse needs of traders. These platforms include the MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, WebTrader, CTrader, TradingView, and the FP Markets mobile trading application, with advanced trading tools and copy trading functionality. FP Markets offers a range of account types tailored to meet the diverse needs of traders. These accounts include the standard and raw trading account types, with demo and Islamic account options. Regardless of the account type chosen, FP Markets is committed to providing traders with superior execution, transparent pricing, and exceptional customer service. The broker also offers a robust suite of educational resources tailored to empower traders of all levels to navigate the financial markets confidently. Their educational hub, accessible through their website, features a diverse range of material, including articles, tutorials, videos, and webinars covering various topics such as strategies, technical analysis, risk management, and market insights. Whether traders are novices seeking foundational knowledge or seasoned professionals looking to refine their strategies, their educational resources are designed to support continuous learning and growth in the trading journey. Overall, FP Markets stands as a trusted and innovative online trading provider, offering a comprehensive suite of services and resources to empower traders worldwide. With a commitment to transparency, excellence, and client satisfaction, FP Markets provides access to cutting-edge technology, competitive pricing, and superior execution. Whether you are new to the world of online trading or a seasoned professional, the broker's user-friendly platforms, extensive product range, and educational resources ensures that traders have the tools and support needed to succeed in the dynamic world of financial markets. At number 4 on our list is Plus 500. Plus 500 is a well-established global trading broker founded in 2008, offering CFD and future trading to millions of traders worldwide. Listed on the London Stock Exchange and regulated in multiple jurisdictions, Plus 500 delivers a secure and transparent trading environment. The platform provides access to a wide range of markets, all within a clean, user-friendly interface. Traders benefit from zero commissions, competitive spreads, an unlimited free demo account, and 24/7 customer support. The broker offers access to a variety of CFDs across a wide range of asset classes, giving traders access to more than 70 Forex pairs, global indices, commodities, shares, ETFs, cryptocurrencies, and options. Whether it's major currency pairs, popular stock markets, energy products, or emerging digital assets, the broker's diverse selection allows traders to explore multiple markets from a single user-friendly platform, all with competitive spreads and flexible leverage. Plus 500 offers a simple yet powerful proprietary trading platform accessible via WebTrader, desktop and mobile applications for iOS and Android. The platform delivers fast trade execution, real-time charts, over 100 technical indicators, customizable watch lists, and price alerts, all in an intuitive, easy-to-navigate design. With full functionality across devices and built-in risk management tools, their platform makes it easy for traders to access global markets anytime, anywhere. Plus 500 offers a range of account options to match different trading needs. Their demo account allows users to practice with virtual funds in a risk-free environment, while their standard retail account gives access to all instruments with competitive spreads, no commissions, and built-in risk management tools. Experienced traders who meet certain criteria can apply for a professional account, which offers higher leverage. Plus 500 also provides a swap-free Islamic account for traders requiring Sharia-compliant conditions. Their Trading Academy offers a comprehensive suite of free educational materials designed to support traders at all levels. Their platform features a variety of resources, including beginner-friendly guides, how-to video tutorials, informative articles, and a Plus 500 ebook. Additionally, the Academy provides FAQs and a regular updated news section to help traders stay informed about key global business and economic developments. Their comprehensive suite of news and market insights through their News and Market section offers daily updates on global financial events, economic indicators, and market trends, keeping traders informed about the factors influencing the markets. Additionally, their proprietary Plus Insights tool analyzes aggregated client sentiment data, revealing the percentage of traders holding long or short positions on various instruments. This feature helps users gauge market psychology and identify potential reversal points. Traders can access these insights directly within the trading platform, enhancing their decision-making process. Coming in at number 3, we have Alpari. Alpari is a seasoned global broker with over 25 years of experience in the financial markets. Founded in 1998 and trusted by over 1 million clients worldwide, the broker offers access to a wide range of financial instruments with competitive spreads and commission-free accounts. Traders can choose from multiple platforms, providing flexibility for both mobile and desktop trading. The broker supports its users with extensive educational resources, including demo accounts, webinars, tutorials, and expert market insights, catering to both beginners and experienced traders. With a variety of account types, Alpari accommodates different trading preferences and strategies, while daily market analysis helps users stay informed and make well-considered decisions. The broker gives traders access to over 750 financial instruments across a wide spectrum of markets. You can dive into Forex, trading major, minor, and exotic currency pairs. Commodities are also available, like crude oil, Brent oil, and natural gas, as well as metals including gold and silver, great for leveraging international exchanges. Cryptocurrencies are also available, as well as ETF CFDs, futures CFDs, and crosses CFDs for unique cross-market opportunities. The broker offers a choice of 3 powerful trading platforms. The proprietary Alpari trading application is designed for mobile traders, giving easy access to markets, account management, and trade ideas on the go. For desktop users and advanced users, MetaTrader 4 provides reliable tools like customizable charts, automated trading, and multi-account management. Meanwhile, MetaTrader 5 expands on this with more indicators, deeper market access, stock trading, and advanced strategy testing, perfect for traders who want more flexibility and power. The broker offers a variety of trading accounts to suit different experience levels and strategies. Their micro account is ideal for beginners, using cent-based balances and smaller trade sizes to trade real markets with lower risk. The standard account provides access to most trading instruments with no commission and a low minimum deposit, making it suitable for less experienced traders. For more advanced users, the ECN account offers tight spreads and commission-free trading on Forex, indices, and commodities, while the Pro ECN account is designed for seasoned traders, providing zero spreads, low commissions, access to all instruments, and advanced trading tools. Alpari keeps traders informed with timely market news and in-depth analysis across multiple instruments. Its daily updates provide expert insights into market trends, price movements, and key economic events. helping traders make more informed decisions. The analysis covers everything from currency pair fluctuations and commodity trends to stock market shifts and macroeconomic developments, giving traders a comprehensive view of the markets. Whether you're tracking gold, oil, or major currency pairs, Alpari's analysis section equips you with the tools and insights needed to refine strategies and respond quickly to changing market conditions. At number 2 on our list is FXTM. FXTM, or Forex Time, is a globally recognized Forex and CFD broker founded in 2011. Serving clients in over 180 countries, it's known for its transparency, reliability, and strong regulatory framework under authorities like the FCA, CYSEC, and FSCA. FXTM offers access to a wide range of markets, all through powerful platforms like MetaTrader 4 and 5. With competitive spreads, fast execution, and a wealth of educational resources, FXTM aims to empower traders of all levels with the tools, knowledge, and support needed to trade confidently in global markets. The broker gives traders access to more than 1,000 instruments across global markets. Their offering includes major asset classes such as Forex, commodities, metals, indices, stocks, cryptocurrencies, futures CFDs, ETF CFDs, and crosses CFDs. FXTM's diversified instrument lineup makes it suitable for traders who want flexibility to explore different markets and asset types. From traditional shares and commodities to more speculative instruments like crypto and futures. FXTM provides traders with a versatile suite of trading platform options designed to suit different styles and devices. At its core are the industry-standard MetaTrader 4 and 5 trading platforms, both available on desktop, mobile, and web browser versions. For mobile-centric or beginner traders, the broker also offers its own proprietary mobile trading application, which acts both as an account management interface and trading platform. It links directly to your MetaTrader account in the background while providing in-app dashboards, trending instrument lists, trade signals, and an economic calendar for on-the-go trading. The broker offers a variety of trading account types designed to suit different trading styles and experience levels. Their Advantage account is the most popular option, featuring ultra-tight spreads starting from 0.0 pips and access to a wide range of instruments. It's available on both MetaTrader 4 and 5 platforms with a minimum deposit of around $200. For traders who prefer commission-free trading, the Advantage Plus account provides the same market access but with slightly wider spreads starting from about 1.5 pips, also available on MetaTrader 4 and 5. Lastly, their Advantage Stocks account is tailored specifically for equity traders, offering direct access to global stocks with no commission, tight spreads, and trading exclusively through the MetaTrader 5 trading platform. Overall, FXTM's account options are flexible, transparent, and designed to give traders the freedom to choose what best fits their strategy and goals. The broker provides a robust knowledge hub full of free educational content across all experience levels. Traders can dive into guides and tutorials covering basics like what is Forex, candlestick patterns, strategy types, and risk management. Their ebooks, often authored by seasoned market analysts, explore topics in more depth, from trading habits to technical theories. For those who prefer watching and listening, the broker offers a series of educational videos, spanning foundational concepts to advanced tactics. They also host seminars and webinars, allowing traders to engage live with expert presenters, ask questions, and absorb market insights. They also feature a library of articles and market commentary, which keeps users updated on technical patterns, economic developments, and trading perspectives, all written by experienced analysts. Whether you're just starting out or refining your edge, FXTM's education suite gives you structured reading, visual learning, and interactive formats to level up your trading knowledge. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best PLN account Forex brokers, we have FXCM. FXCM, established in 1999, is a trusted global broker renowned for its innovative and user-friendly trading station platform, available across desktop, web, and mobile. Designed to cater to traders of all experience levels, the broker combines innovative tools with advanced features that make navigating the markets easier and more efficient. Beyond its platform, the broker offers comprehensive educational resources, in-depth market analysis, and responsive customer support, ensuring traders have the guidance and tools they need to make more informed decisions. Backed by a strong regulatory framework and worldwide presence, FXCM provides a secure and reliable trading environment, making it a preferred choice for traders seeking both performance and peace of mind. The broker offers a diverse range of trading instruments to cater to various trading strategies and preferences. Traders can access a wide selection of currency pairs, including major, minor, and exotic pairs. For those interested in indices, FXCM provides CFDs on global indices. Commodity traders can engage with CFDs on commodities like gold, silver, crude oil, and agricultural products. Additionally, the broker offers single share CFDs, allowing traders to speculate on individual stocks without owning the underlying asset. Cryptocurrency enthusiasts can trade CFDs on popular cryptos like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. These instruments are available on the broker's proprietary trading platform, which offers advanced charting tools and seamless execution. Their flagship trading station is a proprietary platform available on web, desktop, and mobile devices. It provides advanced charting tools, automated trading capabilities, and a user-friendly interface, making it suitable for both novice and experienced traders. FXCM also supports MetaTrader 4 as well as TradingView integration, which allows traders to analyze markets using advanced charting tools and execute trades directly from the platform. These platforms are designed to offer seamless execution, real-time market data, and a comprehensive trading experience across multiple devices. The broker offers a range of trading account types to cater to different trading needs and preferences. Their standard account provides access to popular currency pairs and CFDs with enhanced execution and no restrictions on stop and limit orders. For traders who actively engage in the markets, the Active Trader account offers tiered pricing based on trading volume, along with additional benefits such as dedicated support and advanced trading tools. These account types are designed to accommodate various trading strategies and preferences, ensuring that traders have the flexibility and support they need to succeed in the markets. FXCM offers a comprehensive suite of educational tools designed to support traders at all levels. Their offerings include live daily webinars, such as the Morning Market Review and the Crypto Minute, providing real-time market insights. Additionally, FXCM provides a library of in-depth trading guides covering topics like Forex fundamentals, successful trading traits, and beginner share market strategies. Traders can also access free online courses, on-demand videos, and a live online classroom to enhance their trading knowledge. To further support learning, FXCM offers a free demo account for practice and the FXCM Plus platform, which include tools like trading analytics to help traders refine their strategies. And those are some of the top 5 best PLN account Forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.